guys, Mr. CH Gaming or Colton here, and I'm starting off today's vlog at about, I think it's about 10 to 2, so it's a bit late and I apologize for that, but it looks like we're going to end up heading to a racetrack tonight, so I'll film some of that. I don't know what else we're going to be doing today. I just want to let you guys know that that's probably what we're going to be doing today. Probably going to grab some food while we're there, or like before we end up going there, not 100% sure. I've actually just been watching YouTube pretty much all day, playing on my phone, stuff like that. So, but yeah, I just wanted to let you know that we're probably going to end up going to the racetrack, and I knew I had something else I wanted to say, and now I can't remember what it was. It's the most annoying thing to me when, like, I know that I wanted to say something else, and then I couldn't remember what it was. It pisses me right off. It really does. It pisses me right off. But yeah, like I just wanted to let you know that that's probably what we're going to be doing today, and it's really pissed me off. I couldn't remember what else I wanted to say. I can't remember now. I can't remember. Damn. I can't remember now. It pissed me right off. Does this ever happen to you guys, or is it like just me? I'm pretty sure it happens to everybody, but like, it seems like it happens to me all the time. Like, it seems like it happens to me all the time, and it really pisses me off. I'm gonna apologize for my hair, but it looks like me and me are actually gonna go swimming before me and Dad head up to the races. Just wanted to let you guys know that we're gonna go swimming up at the François Dupuy Recreation Center. You know. I don't really know what that was, but yeah, I just want to let you know that we are going to go swimming, and I need to go grab something, and I can't remember what I need to grab. Oh my god, I keep forgetting things today. Now just heading to Cornwall Speedway. Obviously it's in Cornwall, but it says about an hour and 15-minute drive on the GPS, which could be right, it might not be, not 100% sure. It's probably more around an hour, but yeah, we're just heading to Cornwall now. Do you have an idea what we're doing for dinner? Or?
Probably eat there.
Probably just gonna eat at the Speedway?
Yeah, we'll see what it's like. Right. First time there, so
yeah. Yeah. We went to Brockville Speedway before, which is like the other dirt track up here. But, but this is Cornwall.
Zoom.
Stop now. But this is Cornwall, so we're just gonna see how the food is there. Because we've eaten at Brockville before, and I think it's okay food. Obviously, it's racetrack food. It's not gonna be, amazing.
Innisfil was the best.
Innisfil?
Innisfil. Yeah, up by Barrie, where they had the gravy burger.
That's Sunset.
Sunset, yeah. Well, that's in Innisfil. Sorry.
Yeah, well, Sunset Speedway. Yeah, Sunset Speedway's burger. It was like, that was like an hour out of Toronto or something like that.
An hour north of Toronto.
Yeah, an hour north of Toronto. Okay, because we used to live in Peterborough, and obviously we were closer to them. We could actually make it there. It is such a good burger. It's like smothered in like gravy, and it's got like cheese and everything. It's actually really good. But yeah, I haven't found
2 thumbs up.
I haven't found like another burger like that at a racetrack in a long time. It was a good burger there. Yeah, it was a really good burger there. But so we're just heading to Cornwall, as I mentioned before. We actually got back from swimming maybe not even half an hour ago. I got changed, packed a little backpack I had with like some snacks in it, and now we're on the road to the races. I'm surprised Dad even wanted to drive this today after being in the car for so long yesterday, but he wanted to anyway, so.
Race day.
Yeah. Actually just saying how we actually made it further this time to Cornwall, because last time we tried to come up here, I tried recording a vlog, and then it didn't work because we actually had to turn around right before we got there, because we're like not even 10 minutes away at this point, and we saw all these clouds, and it looked like it had just rained and stuff, and all of a sudden we started seeing car trailers come back. So we texted Mom, we're like, do I just check in Cornwall's Facebook page for us? And then she replied back, she's like, yeah, no, the races are canceled. So we didn't actually end up going that night, but this is looking better because the skies look clear, everything like that. We haven't seen any trailers come back, so that's a good sign. But yeah, I just wanted to like just let you know we made it further this time. we made it further, which is good. But yeah. Really quick thing to add before we actually end up at Cornwall Speedway. Dad was just saying, oh no, I think we're gonna end up in there as I'm recording this, but Dad was just reminding me of the fact that he says like that the parking lot he hopes it's dried up a little bit, because actually he was reading stories, or I can't remember where he heard it from.
I saw it on a live stream.
That people were having to get towed out of Cornwall's parking lot last time because everything was so wet. So, but as we're pulling in now, it doesn't look that bad, but like
It's busy.
it is busy here. It's very busy. Yeah, but it doesn't look that bad right now. Are you done?
No.
Looks drier. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry, but looks a lot drier. Well, I don't know, we weren't here last time, but it looks a whole lot drier than what it was made out to be. But yeah, hopefully we don't have to get towed out of here.
65 Emmanuel
just finished up at Cornwall Speedway. I think I'm just going to end the vlog here because obviously nothing else is going to happen. Obviously we're just going to drive home. I'm going to end up going to sleep. So, oops, there's a car behind us. Just get out of the way here. But yeah, so yeah, I'm just going to end the vlog here, and I apologize for the audio of the previous clips before this one, as it's probably pretty loud. But the way that they set up the grandstands here, it's kind of like a bowl for all the sound. Like, there's no openings anywhere for the sound to go out anywhere else, so everything pretty much just kind of stays and echoes everywhere. So yeah, I apologize for the quality of the audio and possibly your ears getting broken, but I'm going to end the vlog here. Make sure to follow me on all my social media down in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to become part of the Nougat fam, and I will see you guys soon.
Bitch, I wanna party like Chris Farley.